In this video, I'm going to walk you through how to transfer money from bank account to your PayPal account. Now, first of all, what is PayPal? PayPal is an online payment system that allows you to send and receive money around the world. It acts as a secure intermediary between your bank account and the recipient. Now, how do you transfer money from your bank account to PayPal? Let me show you a few ways to do this. 1. By linking your bank account. When you sign up for PayPal, you'll be prompted to link your bank account. Once linked, you can transfer funds directly from your bank account to your PayPal balance. Number 2. Through bank transfers. You can initiate a bank transfer from your online banking platform to your PayBank account. The transfer time may vary depending on your bank. So number 3, third way to transfer money from your bank account to your PayPal account is by debit or credit card. You can fund your PayPal account using your debit or credit card. However, there might be fees associated with this method. It's as simple as that. These are the 4 ways, 3 ways actually. These are the 3 ways to transfer money from your bank account to your PayPal account. Hope you found this video helpful. If you did, like and subscribe to the channel for more. Thanks for watching.